Over the past 30 years, Marom Dolphin has established itself as one of the world's leading companies for tactical gear. Working closely with special forces and equipping entire armies around the world has led us to create the best battle-proven load-bearing systems out there. The heart of the system is our combat belt, which transfers the load from the shoulders and spine to the waist. It reduces the warrior's fatigue and maximizes the ability to fight for an extended period. Each product works on its own or connects to other Marom Dolphin products to create a combat system. You can choose from a variety of vests, backpacks, pouches, and more to assemble the perfect system for your specific needs. Our vests provide comfort, durability, quick-release buckles, flexible construction for optimal breathability, and more. Our backpacks offer a wide range, from small backpacks for targeted raids to large backpacks for extended time on the battlefield. Our line of pouches includes options for all fighters' needs, from advanced magazine pouches to medical pouches. Proven in battle by armies and special units around the world, Marom Dolphin's ecosystem is the preferred choice for elite units.